Starting a software development firm is an exciting journey filled with opportunities to innovate and create. So let's jump right in and explore how you can get started. First off, know your strengths. Are you great at coding, designing, or project management? Knowing what you're good at helps you decide the kind of projects you want to tackle and the team you'll need to build around you. Speaking of teams, it's crucial to surround yourself with people whose skills complement your own. Remember, a great team is made up of people who bring different strengths to the table. Next up, understand your market. What's the demand like for software in your area or target industry? Are there specific problems people want solutions for? Doing a bit of research will help you spot gaps in the market and figure out where you can make an impact. Once you have a handle on your strengths and the market, it's time to think about your business structure. This is where legalregistration.com comes in handy. We can help you set up your business the right way, making sure all legal bases are covered. You can reach us at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for guidance. It's also important to plan your finances. How much do you need to get started? What about ongoing costs like salaries, rent, and software licenses? A clear budget helps you manage your resources and keep your business running smoothly. Don't overlook the importance of choosing the right tools and platforms for your software development process. From version control systems like Git to project management tools like Jira or Trello, having the right setup can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Investing in cloud infrastructure and scalable resources will also position your firm for growth. Let's not forget about building a network. Connecting with other entrepreneurs, attending tech meetups, and being active in online forums can provide valuable insights and support. Who knows? You might even find your next big client or a future business partner at one of these events. And, of course, marketing your firm is key. In the digital age, having a strong online presence is no longer optional. A professional website and active social media profiles help you reach potential clients and showcase your work. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth either. Deliver quality work, and your clients will become your best promoters. Make sure to establish clear policies for intellectual property and data security. Protecting your clients' proprietary information builds trust and prevents legal complications. Consulting with an IP attorney can ensure your firm is fully prepared to handle sensitive projects while safeguarding your own creations. Finally, stay flexible and keep learning. The tech world moves fast, and what's cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow. Stay curious, keep up with trends, and be ready to adapt. If you found these tips helpful and want more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your software development firm.